Hello everyone. Once again I am here. I Rajni welcome you all in National Innovative Education Academy. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is simple past tense. Before starting the topic, we should know that what is simple past tense. So, simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to speak about the action, about that action which is started also and it is finished also in a limited time. That action started and finished at a specific time in past. That is past tense. In past tense, we make again 3 or 4 types of, we can segregate the parts like affirmative, in negative, interrogative. In interrogative, we will make 2 types of interrogative. The rules I am going to give you, and I hope you will write in your notebook. So be ready to learn the simple past tense and the rule also. Affirmative. First part is affirmative. So before starting the past tense of the affirmative, I want to tell you, you should know the second form of the verb. Verb, you know, all action words are verb. Yes. So we should know the second form of the verb, because in simple past tense we always use second form of the verb. First is the root form of the verb and then the past form of the verb or the second form of the verb also. Okay. So first let me tell you the rule. What is the rule? Rule is subject plus second form of the verb and then object. This is the rule of the simple past tense. How we can recognize it? If I talk about Hindi, so we should remember the word या, ई, ए. Yes, मैंने खाना खाया या मैंने खाना खा लिया, तुम सो गए, तुम बाजार गए. All these sentence comes in the simple past. If I talked about Hindi, then how will you recognize the tense comes in simple past? So only you have to learn one thing, that is the second form of the verb. Because in the simple past tense only we use second form of the verb. So here I had given you the rule also, the subject, second form of the verb and then object. Okay. So I am going to give you one example of this. मीरा ने गाना गाया. मैंने एक पत्र लिखा. मीरा is a subject. Sorry, Meera is a subject. Here in this sentence, Meera is the subject. Now the action word, that is the verb. What is the verb? She sing. And the second form of the verb, sang. So Meera sang a song. Okay. Same in next sentence, many. Many. I is a subject. I is a subject. I. What is the verb here? Is verb. Action word. ध्यान रखिए. If you ask the question with yourself, what? क्या कर रही है? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? What I am doing? So I am writing. So write is the verb. And the second form of the verb is wrote. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. So it is really very simple. That first you have to segregate. You have to find out what is verb. The verb is Meera. What is the verb in it? What is subject? Subject is a Meera. What is verb in it? Verb is sang, sing. First form, root form of the verb is sing, and then second form is sang. And the what is object? That she is singing a song. Meera is singing a song. Same with this. What is the subject in second sentence? I. And what I am doing? Write. So write the second form of the verb, wrote. So I wrote. What I am writing? Letter. I wrote a letter. So this is the affirmative. Now moving on, second part, that is negative. What is negative? Negative is nakaratmak. Negative means no. No. Negative means no. So basically in this sentences, we always deny. We don't want to do the work. Denying. हमें करना ही नहीं है. Yes? So helping verb of this in the past tense is only did. And you have to use here not. Did not. So rule is, it's very simple rule. Subject, then helping verb, did, then not, then first form of the verb. First form of the verb, and then object. Always remember, with did, we always use first form of the verb. Whenever we use did in sentence, we should use first form of the verb. I can't say I did obeyed. No. Yes, I did went to market. No, these all sentences are wrong. You have to use second form of the verb in only affirmative form. When you comes in negative form, so always use first form of the verb with the did. Okay, so let's see the example. मीरा ने गाना नहीं गाया. मैंने पत्र नहीं लिखा. Yes? So, Meera. So look at the subject. Subject is Meera. Then what we use? Did. For nahi, we use not. Then what we have to use? First form of the verb. At first I told you, with did, we have to use first form of the verb. So, Meera did not sing a song. Okay, look at the second sentence. मैंने. I is a subject. Then again I use did. For nahi I use not. I did not. Right. So it means you have to, what do you have to do? It means you have to use first form of the verb. So second is wrote and first is write. So I write here, I did not write a letter. I did not write a letter. Always remember, dear all, always use first form of the verb when you are using the helping verb did in your sentence. Okay. So moving on next. That is interrogative. Interrogative means prashnvachak. In those sentences, we always ask questions. That is interrogative. Okay. So, in interrogative sentences, rule. Basically, we make two types of interrogative. First, those interrogative started with a helping verb. And the second interrogative started with the WH family. So basically, one thing comes in our mind when we use helping verb and when we use question words. Yes, or the WH family words. So be listen that when the sentence started in Hindi with kya, whenever our sentence start with kya, so we always use helping verb to make that sentence. And if there question word in Hindi in between the sentence, kya, kyun, kahan, kaise, so we have to start our sentence with a WH family or the question word. Okay, let me give the rule. First, did, subject, first form of verb, and then object. The second one is question word, did, subject, first form of verb, then object. Remember, end with question mark. End with question mark. Yes? So let me give you the example. First example for the first sentence. क्या मीरा ने गाना गाया. Second example is for second sentence. मैंने क्या लिखा. Okay? So first we have to find out the subject. Kya is the subject, so we start, kya is a starting word, so we start this sentence with did, then subject, did Meera sing a song. Here kya word comes in between the sentence, मैंने क्या लिखा. So the second rule, question word first. So what did I write? What did I write? So this is the interrogative, both the interrogative. When sentence start with kya, so we have to make the sentence, we have to start our sentence with did, and if the question word in between the sentence, we have to start the sentence with a WH family or the question word. Let's revise all once again. So let's revise once again the all things. First is the affirmative. Affirmative rule is subject, second form of the verb, and then object. So she danced on the stage. She danced on the stage. Now negative. In negative the rule is subject, did not, and whenever we use did, we always use first form of the verb, the first form of the verb, and then object. Look the sentence, she did not dance on the stage. Now come on interrogative, both the interrogative. First is the interrogative sentence start with did, so did, subject, first form of the verb, and then object, and end with question mark. Look the example, did she dance on the stage. Part 2, question word, then did, then subject, first form of the verb, and object, and end with question mark. The example is, where did she dance? So my dear students, I hope I am able to explain you the simple past tense. We will carry forward with the next video with simple future tense. By the time, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.